Students, today I am going to tell you about Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, which was one of the planned urban center of the Harappan culture. It was one of the chief centers of the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan culture. It is situated in the Larkana district of Sindh. In the words of Bridget and Raymond Alchian, Sindh province has Mohenjo-daro, probably the largest Harappan city, now estimated to have covered some 100 to 200 hectares at the maximum. Literally, Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the dead. It is so called because it was built and destroyed several times. From its excavation, it has been estimated that this town might have been built 7 times, one after the other, as its 7 layers have been found, from the upper crust to the depth of the water. This town was found in 1922 by Sri R.D. Banerjee. According to his estimate, it was a very important town and was, like Harappa, the capital probably of the southern province. This town was built according to its fixed plan. In the western part of this town, there was a citadel which was built on high platform of about 50 to 60 feet high and 400 into 500 square yards in area. For the protection of this citadel, you can see the citadel, it is a high mount, and then this whole Mohenjo-daro was divided into 2 parts. The high part was known as the citadel and the lower part was known as the lower town. So citadel was built in a narrow area, whereas the lower town was built in a vast area. But citadel was comparatively higher from the ground and the lower town was lower. Most important feature of the Mohenjo-daro was that it was a planned urban center. This town was well planned. It had many wider roads which cut across each other at right angles, making it a grid shaped. You can see the roads, they are cutting at right angles. Okay. The houses were built of pakka bricks. So you can see that pakka bricks are there very well. You can see the stairs which are leading down and all that. And they varied from a single story building to many story building. Mohenjo-daro had many public buildings as well. The chief among them were the great public path, the royal granary, and a many-pillared hall that I will explain you later on in my next lecture. The drainage system of Mohenjo-daro had no parallel in the world. This was the very fact proves beyond doubt that the Indus Valley people were very health conscious and followed all rules of hygiene. I think so this much is clear to you. In my next lecture, I will continue with the important buildings of the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, and one thing also I want to clear to you that what exactly was the town planning of this civilization. Okay, that is the Harappan civilization. So that also I will continue in my next lecture. Okay, and thank you very much. So if you have liked it, then please subscribe it so that you can get my videos. Thank you very much.